What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now from here, first of all turn off adaptive brightness, and after that if you have enabled the dark mode, then switch to the light mode. So these settings will help you to fix the screen dimming issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches like screen dimming. But after restarting, if you're still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset accessibility settings, and after that click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin password or pattern, and then again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on this reset option here, it will reset all your mobile accessibility settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.